Hello, fourth graders. Today you are going to be making paper diyas for Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. They're known to use bright colors. So you're going to get to choose the color paper that you want to use for your paper diya. And we are going to be doing an accordion fold. Aren't they so cute? I love them. We're doing an accordion fold, and then we're going to make a little flame that we glue on top of it. So once you choose your paper, you're going to hold it the tall way in front of you. I wanted to show you this really neat trick to making an accordion fold so your folds are even. I used to make accordion folds and they would be thick and thin, thick and thin, thick and thin, and it would always bother me. So this is a great technique that you can use to do the accordion fold for your diya. What we're going to do is hold the paper the tall way. You're going to fold it in half. And remember, for years I've been teaching you how to do the hold and fold to line up those corners. Press the paper in the middle and then press your fold. That's going to hold your ends together. And when you press your fold, you can even use your fingernail. You want really tight folds for this. Once you have it folded, you will fold it again. So lining up those corners, take your time. Notice that there's a roll here. I didn't just go ahead and press it. I'm doing the hold, press and fold, just like that. Using my fingernail and pressing it down. One more time. It's getting very thick on this fold. So we're gonna take our time, use our fingers to press it, make sure it's not shifting. Corner to corner. Again, even though it's little, hold, fold. Press, press, press. Now, at this point, you're going to open it up one fold. So you just see that crease right in the middle. We're going to take this end and we're going to bring it back, almost like an ocean wave. Bring it back. We're gonna line it up with that crease in the middle, and you're going to press, press, and then you're gonna turn it. It's always easier to go away from you. And if you wanna stand up to do this part, you can. It's very thick, so I'm pressing, I'm folding. There we go. So right now, I have this happening. What I'm going to do is simply open this up completely, and you're going to see all the creases are now of equal length. Do you see that? How awesome is that? I wish I had known that earlier in my life. Now what we're going to do is this is when we're going to do the accordion, the back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So start at either end. I'm going to start here. I'm going to fold forward and then flip and fold. And you're going to continue in this manner. Flip and fold, flip and fold. And you're doing it right on that crease. So it should be a very easy fold because you've already made the crease. So you're really just bending that paper back into the position that you want so it's an accordion. Almost like a zigzag line. Back and forth. This one's a little hard. And it's not going to be perfectly straight when you're folding it, but your creases will be even enough. So once you have this spring-like zigzag here, and it's an accordion fold, the next thing that you're going to do is you're actually going to fold this long piece in half, and that's going to give you your center point. So I'm going to go ahead and fold it and really press it, press it, press it. Press, press, press. Once you have it pressed, you're going to glue these ends together. So you're just going to grab your glue stick and on one side just make a nice layer of glue there and stick it together. Press, press, press. There we go. Give it a good press. Hold it for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you open it, look at that. You should have your fan for your diya. And we're going to hold it this way, just like that. Isn't that awesome? So then you can make your flame. And you want to work with warm colors since it's a fire. You want to work with your red, your orange, and your yellow, all of your warm colors here. And I started with my yellow. Keep it simple. All you need to do is just make that almond shape, that flame shape. I just did it by starting at the top and making a curved line that came down like so. And I did the same thing on the other side. just like that. And then you can just color it in. I did the whole thing yellow, and then I went in and I added the layering of the colors. So then I went in and did my orange. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go. Maybe make it a little bit bigger. There we go. And then I can do a little bit of red. So you have the yellow, the orange, and the red, your warm colors. Once you have that, you're going to go ahead and cut this out. You're going to leave a little bit of a tail on it just because we have to fold it in order to glue it. So just cutting, turning your paper, follow that flame line, cut, and leave a little bit of an end so you can see that little part is a little bit white. I'm going to fold it back just a little bit. See, little folds. A little bit of glue. Stick it on top. Make sure you're really pressing it on there. Give it a few seconds just so it can absorb. Fold it up. And there's your little Diya. Happy Diwali!